Welcome to this wonderful throat chakra meditation. Allow me to guide you to unlock and balance the fifth chakra, the one that frees your inner voice, giving you ultimate truth within your words. It is the center of speech, where you create and manifest the words that influence the world around you. Get into a favorite place of yours so that you can let go of the outside world, making sure you're in a comfortable position. Take a nice, slow breath in and exhale, relaxing. You may close your eyes at any time. When you balance the chakras by meditating on them, concentrating all of your focus on each individually, you begin to see the events in your life as symbolic, with beautiful lessons to be learned. Take a nice breath in and let it go. Allow each breath to relax you. Breathe in and out. In and out. Bringing all of your awareness to the throat chakra now. It is right in the center of your throat, represented by a gorgeous pure blue, like that of the sky or the ocean. You can visualize this chakra as an 8-sided mandala with intricate designs filling it. Experience the ability to spin this chakra with the power of your imagination. It is increasing in speed until you know it is traveling faster than anything you've ever seen. Repeat this mantra 5 times. My words are especially pure. 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 Inhale deeply, and as you breathe, allow the breath to expand the throat chakra until it is radiating out so very far from your body. Nice. Feel the power of connecting with your mighty words, authentically speaking. How would you describe the feeling of the throat chakra? It is opening your throat so wide and so freely, allowing your truth to flow out from within you. The feeling in your throat is gracing your speech with love. You can see the throat chakra fully free and open, feeling it spinning with a brilliant blue light, like that of the sky. Good. Take a big breath in, and as you inhale, imagine you are pulling in the energy of spirit into your throat, affecting your words with a pureness you had forgotten until now. It is spilling down from here to your entire body, gracefully illuminating all the other chakras along the way, giving them energy to start opening and moving in truth. You hear the words, "I speak truly." The throat chakra is now completely open and ready to reconnect you to your authentic words. Feeling the honesty you had forgotten coming from within you, flowing effortlessly. Breathe in deeply. And one last time, big breath in. And exhale. Wonderful. Gently allow your awareness to return to the present time and the space around you. Stretch your body in whatever way feels good. Opening your eyes, ready to use your voice for the power of good.